Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today I gonna continue my machining process. That This is a model that that was in the previous video, and I'm gonna continue the machining process. In the last video we get we made a tool path for clearance this space, and now we are gonna get a tool path for rest of material in around of 3D model. First I select my strategy. I used constant Z, and my workspace is ready. Number one is my block is ready to cause I sitting that in previous video my tools is the end mill with 10 millimeter diameter. A limitation, I don't want to use a limit option. Constant Z is basic constant Z finishing setting. I wanna my toolpath to be region. Level is makes a toolpath in level. I use the region. First I want to show you, I don't use spiral tolerance. I use 0.01. I want to my direction to be climb. Thickness is so important. I want to my wall thickness to be in first clearance. I like to be 0.2, and step down I want it's should be 1% of tools diameter is equal that. I use fit arc in point distribution, and it's right. Leads ramp. I don't want to use ramp. I want to change that. I use the horizontal with 5 diameter. Lead out setting like to lead in, and links circular arc is suitable, and feed rate is right. Now I'm going to get a tool. Well, this is not thing that I wanted. I should in block I should out of Yes. This was something that I wanted. It's a good toolpath. You can see cover all of space, and you can use that for your machining process. Let me to get simulation. In the last video I clear this space. That's why I think there is no problem for turning our tools. No, it's right. This is our first toolpath, and for finishing process I use this toolpath. Just I change the thickness to 0 and it should be a spiral. My step I use 0.08. It's good. In my opinion, this toolbox is so great because first machining process is there and moves in this position, and finally clear all of rest of material. Then in conclusion, I going to show you whole of machining process. I first clear this space. After clear this space, you machining with wall thickness equal to 0.2, and finally you finish your material. And there is a place that should be improve the machining process. This point that I will show you how you can toolpath for these points, and that it's so important because this place is tools movement. It's not good, and I hope you enjoy that, and I hope this video to be useful for you, and I will make another video for learning you how you can improve your machining process. This material is copper, and it can be a steel too. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a nice day. Goodbye.